Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to move photos from your iCloud over to your iPhone storage. Now, if you didn't want all of those photos on the iCloud, or you just wanted to make sure there's a full resolution copy on your iPhone as well, I'm going to show you both options that you have. The first thing you're going to do is tap on the Settings app of your iPhone, scroll down, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage. You'll be able to see at the top you need to make sure that you have enough space to be able to download all of those photos and videos from your iCloud. In my case, I have about 48 gigabytes, which will not be enough space. So make sure that you do have enough space. You can always just download what you're able to, and then the rest you can leave on iCloud. To be able to do that, tap on the back arrow at the top left. Tap on the back arrow again. Scroll to the top. Tap on your name at the top. Tap on iCloud midway down. Tap on Photos right under Save to iCloud. You have two options within here. The first option is to scroll down. If it's set to optimize iPhone storage, that means just low resolution versions of photos and videos are on your phone. However, you can switch this to download and keep originals. This will download the full resolution photos and videos from your iCloud and download them to the local storage on your iPhone's hard drive. However, again, in a lot of cases, you might not have enough space on your iPhone. Another option you have, let's say instead of that, if you didn't want those photos on iCloud anymore, but you only wanted them on your iPhone, you can choose to turn off Sync This iPhone. When you do that, you'll get a pop-up and it says, do you want to download a copy of your iCloud photos to this iPhone? All you need to do is tap Download Photos and Videos. It will go through the process of downloading all of those, again, to the storage on your iPhone, and then deleting them from the iCloud if you don't want them on there anymore. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.